A fresh controversy has emerged in the legal education sector after students and alumni of the National Law School of India University in Bengaluru opposed the proposed participation of Chief Justice of India Surya Kant and Bar Council of India Chairman Manan Kumar Mishra in the university's upcoming convocation. In a statement issued on August 15th, the NLSIU students and alumni criticized the BCI over its now withdrawn order seeking to stop the enrollment of 2026 graduates of Nalsar University of Law, Hyderabad as advocates. The statement expressed solidarity with Nalsar students and demanded an unconditional apology from the BCI for what they described as an attempt to infringe students' fundamental right to free speech and expression. The statement was signed by 165 graduating students of the class of 2026, 409 current students and 128 alumni. The students and alumni acknowledged that the BCI had closed the proceedings against Nalsar. However, they argued that the initiation of such proceedings by a statutory body against students and faculty of a public university remained a serious concern. The controversy follows the August 14th intervention by the Supreme Court. CJI Surya Kant had sharply questioned the BCI over its order preventing Nalsar's 2026 graduates from being enrolled as advocates. He had emphasized that students have a right to protest. The BCI had withdrawn the order within hours after it triggered widespread criticism. NLSIU students and alumni have now said the withdrawal does not resolve their concerns. They are seeking accountability from the BCI and its chairman, while also opposing the presence of the CJI and the BCI chairman at the upcoming convocation.